there is no other time of year that encapsulates the feeling of joy, love, and goodwill like the Christmas season. In Jamaica, like the rest of the Christian world, we look forward each year to the spirit of generosity, the gathering of family, and the usual festivities that mark the closing of the year. At the heart of Christmas, however, is a celebration of the birth of Christ and the light of hope for the redemption and new life that he brought to the people of the world. In a sense, Christmas is about children and their innocent, wide-eyed hope and faith in a better future. There is no doubt that the year 2012 has been challenging. Perhaps one of the most significant challenges faced by us as a people is the abuse of the rights of our children and female juveniles. We have not been able to provide a state system that universally protects the rights of our children and provides adequately for those who are most vulnerable. My wish for Christmas is that as a nation, we spend more time in the care and protection of our children. Let us make this Christmas about our children. Let us restore their hope and faith in a bright future. Let us seek to enhance the quality of their childhood recollections of the purpose and meaning of the season. Let me extend best wishes for the season to Jamaicans everywhere. To those returning home for Christmas, please enjoy to the fullest our unequal Jamaican Christmas. Sorrel and fruitcake are two of my favorites. However, take it easy on the roads. Take time out to remember the sick and the elderly, the disabled, the indigent, the homeless, and all others deprived of the basic necessities for decent and healthy living. Let us take heed of the question asked in 1 John 3. If anyone has material possessions and sees his brother in need, but has no pity on him, how can the love of God be in him? Let us reach out to them this Christmas so as to make their lives more comfortable. On behalf of the opposition, and from my family to yours, I wish for all Jamaicans a holy and blessed Christmas.